I'm Ben, and welcome to Ben's Cooking Show. Our featured dish today is mashed potatoes. Stop. So let's just go over the ingredients. We have 4 potatoes. We have salt. We have it's garlic. And we have our butter. So that's about it. We're just gonna get right into peeling the potato. You gotta get a full stroke on. Let's try again. Alright, so obviously there's something wrong with this potato. So we're just gonna get another one. We're gonna cut to a break, and then I'm going to peel all the potatoes. And we're back. We finished peeling the potatoes, and we have a pot of water. We are just gonna pop these bad boys in. So let's just let's pop them in. Oh! All right, the potatoes have been boiling for about 20 minutes now, and I think it is time to use them. Okay, so I'm just gonna Jesus. Just gonna take them out. I'm gonna take out the third one. How did I do this? Oh my god! What? Can you get the last one for me? Now we're going to mash the potatoes. So let's just get that started now. I mash the potatoes with my hands because it gives me more freedom and liberty. So I'm just gonna. Sorry. Alright, I think it's all my hands. So just get another potato. These are a bit. Alright, and I think we are good. Now what I like to do with these, with the extra, is I just put them in the bowl and I just punch them really hard. Alright, I think those are about done, and, oh, sorry, let's get this extra stuff. Alright, we got our potatoes, now it's time to put in the ingredients. Alright, now we're gonna start with, garlic, hey, no, what can you do, please? Now let's go ahead and put in the salt. We don't really need to measure the salt, I just put it in, it's alright, depends. And now onto the butter. The butter should be relatively warm. It's gonna, alright. It's gonna, now, let's move these bowls. Butter in here. I know we're actually only supposed to put half of it. And now the finishing touch. This is a little secret recipe I put in all of my food. Get that off. Get this off, please. Called Pirate Rum. Pirate Rum with a Y. Alright, now just a few shots. Now we're gonna mix it with our hands, of course. More freedom. Some good stuff. Alright, now I think this is done. We actually have a special guest that's coming in and is gonna try our food. Sam, would you come in, please?
Just think, thanks guys for having me on your show.
We made some delicious mashed potatoes for you to try. There's a spoon right there. Could you put it in there? Here, for you.
What?
That in your. Oh, you don't want that. All right.
No, that's good.
All right. Okay. Put it. Eat it. So, how'd you like it?
It was not good.
What do you mean?
I mean, it tastes like there's alcohol in this, and if
Oh yeah, there's a pirate rum with a Y. It's pirate. They're actually paying us to do. It was a secret ingredient.
it was, yeah, I mean,
I did it.
if you're going for mashed potatoes, that's not what this is.
Wait, maybe.
But thanks for having
Get
me.
out. Okay, thank you guys for having us. That was it was great. That was it. No, it's not edible.